World War I took place over 100 years ago and is often overlooked by the much more destructive and violent World War II. This video will look back and tally up the enormous loss of life caused by the First War. We'll be counting soldiers and civilians separately. One domino will represent 1,000 lives. Civilian deaths consisted of all walks of life, whereas military deaths almost entirely consisted of men. The average age was 27, with the most soldiers killed at age 19. The word casualty is confusing when in the context of war. The Cambridge Dictionary describes it as a person injured or killed in a serious accident or war. Because of this, we'll be solely looking at the deaths of the war, which is a much more certain and impactful number. And we'll begin with the American soldiers. Over 116,000 died, accounting for 0.11% of the population at the time of the war's end. But these figures are easily dwarfed in comparison to other nations, as the US only took part in the war between April 1917 to November 1918. The war had already taken place for over 2.5 years before they joined, so let's look at the countries that fought near the start. On the 208th day of 1914, Austria-Hungary declares war on Serbia. Serbia suffered the worst out of every country, with over 300,000 troops losing their lives and estimates of up to 800,000 civilians, which occurred from famine and disease. These deaths account for up to 27.8% of Serbia's total population. Serbia is a member of one of the two alliances that fought against each other in the war, called the Entente, which included the United Kingdom, France, Russia, the United States, and many others. The United Kingdom suffered the most in any single day of the war, where they lost a little over 19,000 soldiers on the first day of the Battle of Somme, many of which were volunteers. In total, the UK lost over 887,000 soldiers and 107,000 civilians, accounting for 2% of its total population. Countries of the British Empire also took place in the war, including Australia, New Zealand, Canada, India, and South Africa, and faced a large number of deaths. The other major Entente nations lost significantly more lives. The Italians joined in 1915 and lost over 500,000 military lives, in addition to 590,000 civilians. Then there is Russia and France, which suffered multiple times greater death figures. When combined, roughly makes up Serbia's entire population during the war. Russia was the earliest nation to come aid Serbia in the war, totaling over 2 million soldier deaths and losing another 730,000 civilians in the process. These catastrophic losses ultimately lead to Russia surrendering early into 1917. France followed closely with over 1.3 million soldier deaths and over 300,000 civilian deaths. Germany led the Central Powers and primarily fought on two fronts. Germany wanted to defeat France, Russia's ally, so it can concentrate on the more powerful enemy on the east. During their run, they amassed over 2 million deaths and over 700,000 civilian deaths, which largely came from starvation, amounting to 4% of their total population. Austria-Hungary faced a similar percentage of deaths, amounting to 1.4 million soldier deaths and over 500,000 civilian deaths, amounting to 4% of the total population. In fact, the nation faced complete military defeat, leading to the creation of Austria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, and Yugoslavia. The worst suffering nation on the Central Power side occurred inside the Ottoman Empire. 2.5 million civilians died, mainly from fighting, massacres, poverty, and disease. A further 700,000 soldiers passed from the war, totaling 15% of their population passing away. Bulgaria suffered relatively low numbers, but it still totaled to 3.4% of their population passing away. 87,500 died from combat and a further 100,000 civilians died from famine. Persia hoped to remain neutral during the war, but ended up being occupied by the Turkish, Russian, and British troops. 2 million civilians died from this, totaling to 19% of their population. A grand total estimate between 15 million and 22 million people died from the war. Between 8.5 million and 10.8 million soldiers passed, and between 7.65 million to 8.35 million civilians were also victims of the war. 24% of deaths were the Allied military, 16% were Allied civilians, 16% were the Central Powers military, 14% of the deaths were Central Powers civilians, and a whopping 30% were civilians of neutral nations. The average lifespan of someone from a First World nation is 80 years. Significant time has passed from the First War, and it's rare to find veterans who endured both Great Wars. Over the past few decades, many authors and filmmakers rushed to capture stories from survivors before it's lost. The 12th of June 2013 marks the day of Jerome and Kimura's passing, the last survivor of the Great War.